Hey, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of my light stick. I just barely received it yesterday, which was the 6th, so it came to my house after EXO anniversary, which I am happy, and I wish it would have come earlier, but you know, things happen. In this video I will be doing the unboxing, full review, and I will tell you my experience ordering from SM Global Shop. It wasn't bad, but there was a mistake. But you know what? They came in safely. So this is the box. Okay. What is this? Oh, buddy. Okay, it's probably just some glue. And the other side, and this is the opening, so we're gonna go ahead and open that. And there we go. So let's try to get that propped up pretty well. Here's, I'm gonna close that while I'm doing this. The little hand guard thing, so it won't fall off. I like the feel of it, it's pretty silky. Well, just to put it out, the only difference of this light stick from the other ones is just the warranty card SM logo. It's the new logo, so if you were worried about what the difference was, that was just it. That's the only thing it said on the page. So, and yeah, that's the only thing I saw different right now. I don't see anything different of the unboxings I've seen. Here's the light stick. So it has the white little cap on the bottom, and the silver one is actually down here right now too. So I'm gonna change it to the silver one, just because that's my personal preference. Okay. So here's the card. This is where the warranty card is at. So I'm gonna put this, and I'll put it on. So here it is. So you can see it's a little scratched up. So I did order, it's 4 light sticks that I ordered. They're not all mine. I am only getting one. And on all of them, except one, they were pretty much scratched up from right here. The other one came out pretty good, but you know, I wasn't really worried about this as long as everything else was fine. As long as the box was fine, I'm fine. And the light stick works, so that was my only thing here. So here is what's inside. So of course the instruction manual, which I'm not going to use because I've seen too many unboxings that I really don't need to depend on it. Here's the warranty card. Oh, that's a handprint. And let me show you the logo. Yeah, you can see that, right? Yeah. So that's the only thing different from the other light sticks. Here is the stickers, which I'm gonna tell you guys my bias is streaming, so I'm gonna put his. Yeah. And here is the photo card. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I'm fangirling right now. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm very excited. Oh, I love it. Oh, I can't express how excited I was when I got this in the mail yesterday. So let's try to slip this back in there. So that was the only difference right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like, just in case you haven't seen like videos where they compare the fake one versus the official light stick. So one of the difference I've seen is that these little things right here, they're yellow. They look a little yellowish. Other than the fact they don't connect to the app, that's another thing that's different. But the other difference is, you see, whenever you have one side EXO, you flip it to the other side and it's the same EXO. So on the fake one, what you're going to notice is if you flip it around, it's not going to be like this. The E is going to be on the other side, so it's going to be behind the other E on the front, which was stupid of them, because if they would have done that correctly, then probably they would have fooled people that they have the real light stick. But yeah, those are like the differences that I remember, but other than that, not really. Honestly, the only light stick that I wouldn't buy that was official would be the version 1 of EXO, since you don't really have to connect that to Bluetooth, which is great. So that, honestly, in my opinion, I would have only bought that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this. Okay. So it needs 3 batteries of 3A. So I'm gonna get those out. Okay, I already popped those in. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, it has a sticker down here. Well, my cousin, she left hers on and it still worked perfectly, but I'm gonna take it off. You don't really need it there. So there we go. And we're gonna screw it. Oh, actually I was gonna change it to the gray one. That silver one. Have it right here. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. So there's 3 modes. On I forgot what the other one was. But I know flicker was one, and then it flickers faster. Ooh, doesn't want to go in. Well, I'm having trouble in this one. Wait. Let me. Okay. Alright. Come on, baby. Okay, yeah. It's screwing on now. There we go. So, there it is, there it is, there it is. Yep, that's my baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So it's on. Oh, damn, that thing is bright. Wow, it looks so pretty on camera. So that's 1, 2, and so those are the 3 modes. Wow, that looks pretty. It's currently day right now, and my windows are catching the light. So let's see. I'll turn it off just to see. Well, I guess you can see. Let's see. Focus on it. Oh, it looks so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. I just can't believe I have this on my hands right now. They're in my hands right now. It's like I'm holding it. Oh, okay. Flickering. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna try to tilt my camera this other way so you can see it from above. So let's see. So 1. Oh, it's not focusing as it should be. But I guess let's continue doing this. And then faster. Oh my god. So on camera I'm noticing that it looks like it's not, there's like a glitch on it, but it's flickering fine. I promise. Okay. I'm so happy. Okay guys, and I am going to tell you my experience ordering from the SM Global shop. So I will leave the link below just in case like you're not here to buy an EXO, because they're out of stock, EXO light sticks. So but they do have the red velvet. I think it's still in stock right now. Like, I don't know, I doubt it though. I really doubt it though, but in case you want to like order something from there. So my camera died, and I think yeah, I was gonna go ahead and go to my experience. So I have both things right here. So I got a total of 4 light sticks by accident. I'm gonna tell you how I did that. So I ordered my first 2 light sticks because it was for my cousin and me. So we both ordered 2 light sticks. Of course, I did not order it with my account or anything, so I ordered it with my uncle. So I told him if he could do me that favor, which he did. So he sent me a screenshot that they were ordered, but then it doesn't show here, but he showed me the screenshot on his phone that he got. There was like a number of products, and I thought probably that's like the quantity, and it said 1. So then I was kind of like, ugh. So I asked him, why does it say that? And it's like you're technically paying for both of them. So he kind of got like upset, and I told him, no, I don't know, like let me try to see what's up with that. But he canceled them that same day. So they were pre-orders, which was a good thing, I guess. So we paid a total of $99.35 right there. because they were only like $43 for pre-order, but we were paying for shipping. Probably we would have wasted $100. We wouldn't be paying for shipping, but that was the thing there. So he canceled it through PayPal, and later on, me and my cousin emailed SM Global Shop and sent them our account number, and there were actually two. But then I asked them, we haven't got our money back, so we want to know if it's canceled with you guys, because we knew it was canceled with PayPal. Never knew if it was canceled with you. So they emailed me back and they said, yeah, it's canceled. It's just a PayPal problem. So I was like, oh. So my uncle told me, so what are we gonna do? I'm like, I guess we'll order them again. So we ordered them again, and they were on stock. Technically my birthday, so they were 50 at the time. So we ordered 100. We didn't pay shipping because it was like 100 and above free shipping. We got free shipping. We got our 2 lightsticks. So this one got delayed because to us this was canceled, right? This first one. So this one was delayed. They sent us an email. We were fine with it as long as they came here safely in one piece and they were here. So he got that email. And then like 2 days later, I want to say 2 days later, got an email that said that this was already shipped, and we were kind of like, WTF, what the freak, the fork, what the fork just happened? They're telling me I have to pay another $100 now. And that's what I did. If it was canceled from both areas, how the hell is this first ordered being shipped? Well, it was shipped, alright. So yeah, so we ordered that first one during the pre-orders, which were like the 1st of July, around the first little days of July, and then days after, like the next week after that, they were done, and then you can order the other ones that were barely on stock. So we ordered these. We were like, well, they probably got it confused, and they saw that it was the same person when they're trying to like ship those dates. So that's what happened there. On the 6th of August, which was yesterday, we got like a message, and my uncle's like, your light sticks came in. And we were like, oh, which ones? Which ones? We came to his house, and there was 2 boxes. There was a smaller box about like the height of these 2 right here, and there was one just like a little slightly bigger. So we're like, they can't be both light sticks, you know? It can't be like 2 light sticks on the small one, and I believe the big one, but not the other 2. We opened both of them, and yeah. So it did come with a bandana, as I said, and I guess that came with the delayed shipment on, like, which was our second one. So I feel like they were just like, oh, apology, we're gonna put that. So that's what happened there. Well, I guess like I want SM, you really did make a fraud right on us. You stole our money. So that was the thing, but I guess SM really wanted our money, so I said, you know, send it to them. So yeah, I didn't know that they got more requests. I guess a lot of people ordered them. So I guess they were like, you know what, let's make more and send it to them. So that's probably why it got delayed too. But like, what the fuck is it? Really? Anyways, I'm fine with it. I got my light stick. It's good, but no, I got 2 other light sticks. I will link SM. Like, other than that, they're good. They're good. Your things will come in. Just don't cancel them. Don't cancel them. Really, don't cancel them. Because you could probably suffer that same mistake I did, and you could probably use those $100 to buy who knows how many albums. You know. I'll still get an album though, and I'll probably do an unboxing on their comeback. Hopefully, if they have a repackage. Hopefully. I'm pretty sure they have everything ready. SM's not that stupid. So that was my experience right there. Other than that, I wish you EXOs a happy birthday. Hopefully this video comes up today.
밀려드는 잿빛에 You should